And less than a week after the swearing in of a new president, Florida's governor is butting heads with the Biden administration. Florida's vaccine rollout is the issue. Tonight, public health experts tell our Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders who they think is right.
Florida's governor is once again defending the state's vaccine rollout, this time calling recent comments by Biden's press secretary disingenuous.
We are #1 in the country for doses per capita for the top 10 states, the top 10 most populous states.
A day earlier, Secretary Jen Psaki called out Florida for needing to boost distribution as only around 50% of its allotted shots had been given out. DeSantis responding Tuesday saying most of those are second doses held in reserve, then pushing the feds for more supply.
We have the throughput. You have every place that's doing this can do more.
Despite the governor's vaccine touting, epidemiologists say Florida is about average statistically.
A lot of this is challenging to really pinpoint how are we doing.
Professor Jason Salemi reports Florida is slightly above average for doses given out per 100 people, but it's below average for overall use of doses received.
We are doing well relative to some larger states like Texas or California for some of these measures. And kind of in the middle of the pack relative to a lot of states just in the country in general.
Even so, political experts don't expect the back and forth between Biden officials and DeSantis to stop anytime soon.
If the last 4 years were smooth sailing, get ready for some bumpy seas ahead.
Professor Josh Scacco predicts continued tension as the new administration asserts more federal control of vaccine efforts, while limited government Republicans like DeSantis resist.
Just as in the last 4 years, we saw in a lot of ways Democratic-led states pushing back against policies or lack thereof policies from Washington, D.C., we're going to see the reverse right now.
At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, ABC 27.
Now, one of those new policies from D.C., federal vaccination sites. The president says they will help, but Governor DeSantis is concerned they will siphon off the state's vaccine supply.